So I thought what I'd do with you today is do an unboxing of my Love Your Crafts deliveries, and as you can see here I've actually got two parcels from them. This is the first one and this was £20.95, and I've got the second parcel which was £33 and 15 pence, so it's £54 10 pence worth of ribbon altogether. So I thought I'd open everything, show you how I roll everything away and put everything away in my drawers, and just show you how Jo packs. Obviously I've taken out my address on here, but this is how Jo sends all her ribbon. And as you can see, I was getting ready for my Christmassy colours here, and I'd run out of the black buckles that I keep recommending for you on the for the Santa bows. So these are the buckles, and I'll just put the name. So these come under square coloured bling sliders, and this is the black versions. You can get them in a few different colours as well though. The silver looks nice, and like I said, there's some like clear ones, red ones, and all different colours like that, and these cost 45 pence each. Okay, and she always bundles hers with these really nice soft elastics, which I love because I'll show you how I roll my ribbon in a minute. So I always do this. So this is a little shot glass that I have for all my little elastics. And on this order I got 5 metres of 1 inch poppy red, 5 metres of 1.5 inch poppy red, 5 metres of 1 inch red, 5 metres of 1.5 red, 5 metres of, 5 metres of white 3 inch grosgrain, 5 metres of 1.5 inch white grosgrain, 1 metre of 3 inch peacock ribbon, 5 metres of black grosgrain 1.5 inch ribbon, 5 metres of black grosgrain 3 inch ribbon, and the square sliders. So like I said, it's quite a lot of ribbon, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45 metres of ribbon in total for the £20.95 and the sliders. So it's not really a bad deal when you consider things like that. So what I do is have this little bobbin winder, and this is actually the two different colour reds. Okay. So I'm going to start from this one with the first colour red, and I thread it through like so, and then you just wind it around, keep going till it's all done. Okay, and then you can slide that off, and then with the nice soft elastics provided from the order, I just pop that round and it doesn't mark my ribbon. And then I just repeat this with all my ribbon from my bundles, and then I'll show you the other bundle. I won't do all of them because it will bore the heck out of you, but yeah, basically this is just all you do. Wind it up like so. It is the most simple thing in the world. You can get these for about £2 to £3 off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if I can find one, but I love them. I used to do this by hand. It used to take me freaking hours. But yeah, like I said, and if you search these, you don't want the little ones that you use for like loom band weaving. You want nice soft elastics that aren't going to mark your ribbon. So as you can see, there's a black and red, black and white, and I'll do that for all of those. So now the other ribbons I've got, and I'll also show you the bits and pieces. So this is a bigger bundle. This is the £33, and as you can see, I've got all of these gold edge ribbon. I'm going to show you all the colours because I've got a lot. I basically brought a... What did I get? I can't quite remember. So I brought 2 meters of all of the 1.5 inch gold edge ribbon because it is one of the most perfect Christmas ribbons that you can possibly get. It just adds like a touch of class to like any sort of Christmassy project, and like I said, it just makes any normal colour just feel Christmassy because of that gold sparkle. And like I said, it's so pretty. And I also got 2 meters of all the 1 inch ribbon as well. So as you can see, I've got white, sorry, antique white, navy, red, teal, emerald, spruce, black, cream, white and rust. So that's the actual white there. Then we've got the navy, teal, sorry, that'll be spruce, teal there. This is the rust and the red and the light cream. And then I also got some, this is called pale gold. And again, this is what I refer to as a perfect reindeer or gingerbread man colour. Like I said, it's a perfect sort of brown for Christmas time. And in this bundle, as you can see here, you can see a bit of tartan in there. I wanted a bit of tartan because again, tartan is another one of my favourite for Christmas time. So there's that one. And I also got some more tartan in the 3 inch as well. And I also got a couple of others in the 3 inch. Let me just show you. So I got this, I think one's Danielle tartan, yeah. And one's red tartan. So that's the Danielle tartan, that's the red tartan. And like I said, I just like these, like I said, for Christmassy bows. Like I said, they look really, really cute. And then Joe also does transfers. So as you can see, these are the antler letters. Let me get the E's out as well because they look prettier than the L's. And obviously I've got 3 nieces. Well, I've got more than that, but So I've got Ella, Elizabeth and Evie. So they're my 2 E's, and there's Lizzie. And this is what they look like. They come with full instructions on how to attach them to your ribbon bows. Like I said, always read them because they're all slightly different. And they tell you exactly what to use and how to do it, etc. So that's all in there. And they cost me 50p each, but they are gold holographic. So I'm going to be using these in some tutorials soon as well. So hopefully you found this quite interesting. Like I said, this is what, like I said, 50 odd pounds worth of ribbon. Let's fit it all in so you can see. This is what 50 odd pounds worth of ribbon actually looks like. So if that was something that was interesting for you, there you go, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.